Hey, what's up, Pancakeswap holders? So it's a very bad news for all of you now, but my friends, don't worry. ABS channel will guide you, update you. So I hope you will never lose. And if you want to earn money in a crypto market, kindly subscribe this channel and keep touch with us. I will give you 100% guarantee, my friends. No YouTuber can give you guarantee, but I will give you guarantee to you will never lose, my brother. This time or whether the Pancakeswap price is very badly decreased now, but completely I'm sorry my brothers to in those days. I am so excited my friends for my friends because in those days just in only Pancakeswap is one of the unique coin to they will there is a chance to they will give you a profit. Otherwise all coin were fails down. I am a holder of 35 coins USD dollar 35 coins, but this time over all currencies were very badly falls down, but Pancakeswap absolutely there is a chance so they will go up and they will give you a profit. My brothers, you can see here this time they are lost now. You can see here in last week now, my friends. You can see here last 1 hour, last 1 day, and last 7 days. This coin is completely in the loss now. But don't worry, my friends. You can see here the market rank is 43 now. So I hope they will hit now 50. They will give you a very good profit now. So Pancakeswap holder, please if we predicate this coin so we will better understand to in upcoming days can there is a chance to they will give you a profit or not. My brother, and this time especially all currencies were face down, but Dogecoin, XRP, Shiba, and like this coin, my friends, who is a trending in a crypto market, absolutely on the farm now, and they will move upward. So this time, my friends, if you want to invest for short time, so go and invest now in those coins. Other my friends, please hold it if you want to say do a safe now. So my brother, the price will increasing hour by hour, minute by minute, but sometimes they will fails down like very badly now. So therefore, I will notify you to don't worry. I hope when this coin will starting moving upward, so people are just watching now, and absolutely we are enjoying now. So thanks for watching, holder. Please like video and don't forget to subscribe this channel and also press the bell icon for videos notification.